Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about the structure of your article discussion and the structure of your annotated bibliography because they are similar to each other. You have several articles that you will be asked to read and to post a discussion board response. In that discussion board response, you will use the structure that I'm going to provide here. Additionally, in your annotated bibliography, the first paragraph of your annotated bibliography for each article needs to follow this same structure. After I go over the structure, I will tell you about the second paragraph of your annotated bibliography and the structure of it. Let's begin. In your discussion board responses and in the first paragraph of your annotated bibliography, you should include the following 5 things. The population. Please tell me about the population that is being studied in this article. Who are they? Is there a specific age range? Were they found at a specific place? For instance, are they high school students? Are they juvenile offenders? Are they elderly people living in an assisted living center? Do they live in a specific city? Do they live in a specific state? It may be that all of this information is not provided, particularly the location is often not provided, but whatever information is provided, please let me know. Secondly, tell me about the sample. In this, I want you to tell me what the sample size is, how many people were included. This is oftentimes found in the abstract, and it's written as N equals and a number. That's the number of people who are in this study. But I'm also looking for how the sample was collected. Did they use probability or non-probability design? What type of probability or non-probability design did they use? Do they not specify a specific type? After this, I'd like you to tell me what the research question was and the hypothesis. It is not uncommon for articles not to list these things, so don't worry if you don't see them. Generally, right above the methods section in an article, there's a paragraph that talks about the purpose of the study. Sometimes it has a header that labels it that way, and sometimes it's simply the last paragraph of the literature review with no label. In this paragraph, they may tell you the research question, they may tell you a hypothesis, or they may simply say, this is why we're doing this study. This is the purpose or what we want to understand. If they don't provide a specific research question or hypothesis, what you put in this part is the purpose of their study or what they're trying to find out from their study. Next, I want you to tell me the statistical analysis that was used. You can find this in the methods section. I don't expect that you will necessarily understand the statistics that were used, but they should tell you specifically what statistic it was. And then finally, I want you to summarize their findings. In this part of your summary, I don't want you to rewrite the statistics that are reported. In other words, when you start to see the Greek letters in parentheses that don't make any sense, I don't want you to rewrite all of that. I simply want you to tell me what their findings were in plain English. The best way to find that is to look at the discussion section, where they go over their findings and their results, and they talk about what those results mean. For the discussion board articles, this is all you have to do, because I assign these articles to you. For the annotated bibliography, however, you will do this first paragraph, and then you will have a second paragraph for each of your articles. In that second paragraph, you should talk about how this article helps answer the question that you were seeking an answer to. Is it valuable? Does it further your research agenda? How can you use it to answer your research question? This paragraph is your assessment of the article and its importance and value in helping you answer the question that you were seeking to answer. If you have any questions as you're going through any of this, please contact me. Thank you.